Uncle Hamster has gone literally mad on Rollercoin. We've got the Uncle Madness events. I call them mega events almost, okay? Because there's a puzzle, there are new bundles, there are new skins, and loads more on Rollercoin right now. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Alright, so much going on with Uncle Madness right now, so let's check it out on Rollercoin. On my screen here you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and I was just greeted literally 5 minutes ago. Uncle Madness begins. Uncle Hamster has arrived and he has brought chaos with him. Get ready for Mad Ham Puzzle, epic drops in expeditions, new room skin, crafting for the community, and more surprises that Uncle's temper swings. Don't blink. The madness is just getting started. So at the top here we can see Uncle Madness details, we can see the Pawfather bundles, we've got the crafting events, we've got the Mad Ham puzzle. Just so much going on right now, okay? And we've even got the Red Room sale where you can get your new skin, okay? Very nice for 16.95 RLT. Okay, so this is the Uncle's Got Taste and its dangerously luxurious room called the Red Room. Just shy of 1 day remaining left for you to be able to get that skin. Going back to the homepage, I'm going to kick this off with the Mad Ham puzzle, and we can see that there is the typical progression bar at the very top. You've got to complete 14 tasks at least to get to the very end of the progression bar, but if you want even more rewards and prizes you can complete all 16 tasks. The most powerful miner is the Uncle's Dungeon in the rare version. This cannot be sold and it will give you 17.2 petahash per second. Okay, it's new miner. Nice Uncle Hamster there whipping away, and we've got Vader Glory here as well as a random puzzle piece. And more miners. Okay, so you've got more Uncle's Dungeons here, so you can get 2 of those there, merge them into the uncommon. You can get the uncommon after completing 10 tasks from the progression bar at the top. That will give you 6.5 petahash for each uncommon. If you merge those 2 uncommons together, you'll get a rare, and you can merge the 2 rares together if you make it to task 14 and complete those 14 tasks. And you can get then the epic Uncle's Dungeon, okay? And that will give you loads of power and bonus power. Let's check out exactly how much, okay? So we've got to put in Uncle's Dungeon under the merge section, under the minus section. So Uncle's, so if you've got the common version, you're going to have 6%. If you have the uncommon version, you're going to have 9%, okay? So that is already 15%. And then on top of that, if you get the rare version of as well, you have 15%. So if you keep one of each, you'll basically have 6% plus 9% plus 15%, and they will all count, and that will total a total of 30%. But you will be taking up 3 slots to be able to do that, and you will have less overall power because you will have 2.5 petahash, 6.5 petahash, and 17.2 petahash, which will be less than the total 45.3 petahash that you would get if you were to have the epic version. Okay, so although you might have 8% more bonus power, you will have less petahash. Now that 8% bonus power might be worth it for you, because if you have enough power in your room, you might be able to actually make up for the difference much more than if you were to have the 45 petahash. But just bear in mind, you will be taking up more space in your room if you're going to keep all 3 and not merge into the epic. But either way, it's a win-win situation, and you can just get them all, okay, and just keep them there. Awesome. So that is the puzzle event. Going through the list of tasks really quickly. Win 25 games. I'm just going to claim that right now. Collect, and I've gotten my bonus power. The first one, okay, you can open 3 lucky RLT cases, you can exchange 3 RLT, exchange 8 RLT, win 50 games, open 8 lucky cases, exchange 16 RLT, win 200 games, open 16 lucky cases, exchange 27 RLT, win 400 games, open 27 lucky cases, exchange 46 RLT, open 46 lucky cases, exchange 72 RLT, open 72 lucky cases, and I've just done the Win 25 Games one. So you can get several tasks completed by just playing games as well, and you can play up to 400 games to get all of those game tasks completed. It's not all that difficult to complete this event, so if you work hard at it, you'll be able to complete this in no time, okay? Opening lucky cases, that's something you should be doing anyway, because obviously if you do open lucky cases, you might have a chance at actually winning some more RLT as well, although it is a gamble, obviously, okay? But there is always that chance that you might win even more. So we've got some crafts here as well. So particular tastes craft, just shy of 3 days remaining for these. Sips of Sin, so you need 10 batteries in order to be able to get this miner, and you can craft that. Once you actually have this miner, you'll then be able to craft the Landlord. If you also have these hashboards, the uncommon hashboards here, and you do need to have 60 of those hashboards, okay? So these are the uncommon hashboards and 1.5 RLT, so you're always going to gain more and more with each and every upgrade and craft that you are doing here. Last but not least, 50 Shades of Uncle. This cannot be sold. It'll give you 2.5 petahash. You do need to have the previous miner as well, so you're always going to lose the previous ones in order to craft the greatest ones, okay? And for this, you do need to have 4 of the blueprint miners, and I only have 1 at the moment, and you do need to have 4 RLT as well. The blueprint miner can be sold, which means you can find it in the marketplace if you don't have enough of those miners, okay? So the crafting only takes 4 hours for the 50 Shades of Uncle. It'll give you 2.5 petahash, and it cannot be sold, okay? I'm just going to check out quickly what the merge and what power this 50 Shades of Uncle will have. So going back to miners here, and let's give it a whirl here. 50 Shades of Uncle. And the 50 Shades of Uncle, which is the common version, 2.5 petahash, has got 6.69% bonus power, okay? So bear in mind that although it might not be a lot of power, it is a lot of bonus power, okay? So do keep this in mind, okay? 2.5 petahash isn't a little power, it is quite significant as well, but it's not all that much compared to the other mega miners that are now coming out, okay? But 6.69% is, okay? So this would be definitely worth getting, okay? If you manage to actually get 2 of those, which you can through the crafting offer if you keep on repeating step by step and keep on building up to the 50 Shades of Uncle, then you'll be able to merge this into uncommon, and you can see the percentages and the power right there, okay? Just bear in mind and keep all this in mind that you do need to spend some RLT and have the parts available to be able to do the mergers. Okay, going back, and we're going to see Pawfather bundles, okay? So there are a few bundles going on at the moment. So there is different ways that you can actually get these bundles. You can get the Unreal Pawfather pack straight away, so you can be able to build up the Pawfather, which you will get 32 of, straight to the Unreal, and you'll get all the parts needed in order to do that for 174 XRP. So be sure to check out the price of XRP at the moment and calculate this accordingly. If XRP is around $2, then 174 times $2, and you'll get your price there in fiat currency, okay? So just make sure to calculate everything. It is 30% off. In order to get all of these parts, you would be spending more than that 174 XRP. You can do this with Doge as well, with the rare Pawfather. You can do the same thing with Sol as well and get the rare Pawfather as well. So if you've got just one Pawfather, that's 750 terahash per second with 1% bonus, but if you merge that up to the rare or to the Unreal, that's going to be even more powerful, and we'll check that out in a second as well. You can also do the same thing with XRP, 10% discounts on these, okay? And then you can go for something which is more slimmed down. You can get 2 Pawfathers and merge those into an uncommon, okay? If you do have enough parts, and you'll be just spending 59 Dodge here, or even go less than that, 33 Dodge just to get 1. Okay, so different mixes and matches. You can get just the parts pack for 110.95 as well, and you can just get all of these epic hash, get a epic hash board, a legendary hash board, 1000 RST, and bonus power. Okay, you just get those for 110 RLT, but those do cost quite a bit if you were to buy them individually as well. You can buy that more than one. Okay, so you can buy these a few times. You can actually get the Unreal version 3 times. Okay, if you want to get 3 Unreal ones and place them in your room, well, that will give you massive amount of power. And when I mean massive amount of power, we're going to check that out right now. Okay, so we go to miners and we go to Pawfather. We can see here that if you actually make it to Unreal, you get 100 petahash with 60% bonus power, which is incredible and massive. One legendary hashboard to be able to do it, and only 50 RLT to do that merge, okay? It's not all that much for any of these merges, okay? Which makes it so appealing, okay, to do. So look out for this, because this can give you a significant amount of power and boost in the game. Okay, so if you just go to the uncommon version, you'll go from 1% to 3.5%, from 750 terahash to 1.9 petahash. Okay, if you go from the uncommon to the rare, so if you just get those rare bundles straight away, you're going to get 5.1 petahash with 7% bonus power. Okay, in order to do the merge, you'll need the parts, you'll need to spend 1 RLT, but you can do it. Okay, no issues there. Okay, you're going to get all the parts straight away through the bundles as well. So you'll have everything equipped for you there to be able to do this straight away. So those are the bundles, as you can see, very, very powerful stuff, okay? There is also the blog on all of this information. Okay, if you go to the blog post here, you'll see this Uncle Madness post that just came out today as well. All the details are here. We're going to get the new hamster, the new Uncle Hamster lover, okay? A strength of 85, a health of 85 with a luck of 30. Okay, but there's more. There's going to be more rewards for you as well. An extra 50% loot on expeditions. That means more rewards, more gains, and more power. Okay, so plus 50% extra loot that the Uncle Hamster will be collecting for you. Couple of different skins there when you level up Uncle Hamster. There's 6 of them there. Okay, nice dancing. Okay, and there is also the skins that we just mentioned today, the Mad Ham puzzle. All the details are all here. The craft that we also mentioned, okay, so you go through this at your leisure, and the Pawfather bundles that we mentioned as well, okay. Expedition upgrade, there's going to be bigger rewards and better drops, okay. Boosted rewards, because expeditions are so much fun. Why wouldn't they be rewarding? We've increased the rewards rate by 35%. This is all starting from today, the 25th of March. New drops have landed and they're hotter than ever. Now you can score rewards ranging from 2,500 RST all the way up to 1,000 RLT. Okay, so I encourage you that if you do not already have a hamster, maybe you started late in the game after expeditions had started and there were no hamsters on offer, now you've got your chance to get a hamster, and it's quite a big hamster, okay, with the chance to get 50% more prizes, okay, so you can actually get more rewards with the Uncle Hamster. So definitely try and get this hamster while you still can, okay. All of this is starting today, 25th of March, okay. You can also get these rewards here, these miners, powerful miners, deep crypto space with 8.2 petahash and 6.5% bonus, and the unstoppable Pip Hamster, boasting 40 petahash with 7.67 bonus, okay? So gear up your hamsters and prepare the most lucrative expeditions yet. Bigger rewards, less hassle, and brand new mining beasts are out there. You just need to search for them. So definitely go on those expeditions. And speaking of expeditions, I think one of mine is almost over. Expedition, 54 minutes remaining, okay? So at the moment, I believe I do have Big Daddy. Yeah, Big Daddy is on his way to get me those rewards. Yes, and I will definitely be getting Uncle Hamster as well, okay? So I've already gotten around with Big Daddy, which has been going on for almost a day now. I've got 11 rewards waiting for me, potential to get some more maybe in these 54 minutes. We'll just have to see at the end, but definitely check it out, okay? The hamster will be there Okay, so look out for that and definitely try your best to get that Uncle Hamster. It doesn't seem to be here yet or anywhere where I can actually see it just yet, but it will be out shortly, so definitely look out for that. Okay, so that's all the madness right now that's going on Rollercoin, and some news from the Rollercoin team as well is that there is a timeline. We'll be sharing that with you as well soon. Some other YouTubers have already shared it. So from Q1 to Q4 of this year, all the events that are going to happen. One of them coming this quarter very soon right now. So in the coming weeks, we should be seeing that RollerTap connected, integrated into Rollercoin. Okay, it's been a long time coming and it's finally coming. Okay, 100% confirmed by the Rollercoin team that it's going to happen in Q2 of this year. So between April, May and June, we'll be seeing that connection. So if you have stopped playing RollerTap or you don't know what RollerTap is, check out my videos down below in the description below, and I've got a link floating above my head at the moment for you to check out RollerTap as well. Check out my progress and how to play the game as well, and use my referral link down in the description below this video for RollerTap, and you'll instantly get 2,000 Roller Community Coin tokens, which will be integrated into Rollercoin where you can spend, okay? So definitely keep on tapping away and don't give up on RollerTap, because you're gonna need those coins in the Rollercoin game very soon. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.